In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar using Asana templates. If you're looking to streamline your content planning and execution, using Asana's built-in tools is a great way to get organized without the hassle of starting from scratch. This process is efficient and user-friendly, even if you're just getting started with Asana. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're logged in to your Asana account. Once you're on the main interface, you'll want to direct your attention to the top left corner where you'll see the Create button. This is your gateway to starting a new project. With a simple click on that button, you'll open a menu with several options. What we're interested in is starting a new project, so go ahead and click on Project. Now, you'll see the choice to either create a new project from scratch or use one of the handy pre-designed templates that Asana offers. For our purposes, we're going to choose Use Template. This not only saves time, but also provides a structured format that's specifically designed for different types of projects. After selecting Use Template, you'll find yourself in the Workflow gallery. This area is where Asana categorizes different project templates based on their functionalities. Here, you can browse and select a template that fits your needs. Since we are focusing on creating a content calendar, let's explore the Marketing category. Once you click on the Marketing category, scroll down a bit until you find the Content Calendar template. This template is tailored to help you manage your content creation process effectively, from planning to publication, within a structured timeline. After locating it, select it by clicking Use Template. With the template selected, you'll now proceed to customize it for your specific project needs. You'll start by giving your project a meaningful name that reflects the task or initiative you're planning. This makes it easy for you and your team to identify at a glance. Additionally, take a moment to schedule the project dates. This involves setting up start and due dates to keep your content plans on track and ensure timely execution. Once you've inputted all the necessary information, simply hit Create Project. And there you have it. Your content calendar, using Asana's Marketing Content Calendar template, is now all set up and ready for action. This template will help you organize, schedule, and streamline your content strategies effortlessly. There's no better feeling than knowing your content management is under control, making collaboration with your team a breeze, and giving you more time to focus on creativity. Thank you for watching, and happy planning.